Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love these MCGOR under cabinet lights. So reason number 1 is the auto mode. So here we've got a switch. When I've got it in auto, it has a motion sensor. Now that motion sensor is going to turn this light on only in low light conditions. So right now my room is really bright. It's not going to waste the battery and turn that light on. If I want the light on, I can simply just hit the switch to on and it will turn it on. But to help save battery, it doesn't turn it on during the day. But at night, in low light conditions, it will turn that light on. And once you leave the area, it turns it off after about 15 to 20 seconds. So it helps save battery. Reason number 2 is super easy to install. We've got these magnetic pads. You can mount these to wood with a screw, or it's got 2-sided tape already on them. So you peel the backing off like that. You put it on here. Then with both those pieces of paper off, you simply just stick it where you want, and then you just pull the light off. Those will stay in place. And then you pull the light off, and the third reason is USB-C charging. So it does come with the USB-C cables. You will need a wall adapter to charge them with, but typically we do have USB-C cables around our house, so I love that it's USB-C charging. It lasts a long time, has a nice long battery in it. They're super bright. We have 5 levels of brightness, really dim, all the way up to really bright. So I absolutely love these under cabinet LED lights. Easy to install, easy to charge, and the motion light only comes on at night. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.